All right, the three-step model. Pretty complicated, but here we go. So let's suppose we have a transition growth rate of 10% and a transition period length of 3%, or excuse me, of just 3. So what we will do is our first step is the same as the previous video with the two-stage value of stock. So that'd be equal to B2 times 1 plus B3 divided by B8 minus B3 multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus B3 over 1 plus B8 raised to the B6 power. So the second step will then be, let's make sure I get the right version of this. So here we go. There it is. So this one is equal to the second step, D0 multiplied by 1 plus the first growth rate raised to the n, which represents the fifth power, multiplied by 1 plus the transition growth rate, multiplied by 1 less the parentheses 1 plus the transition growth rate over 1 plus the required return. That fraction is then raised to the transition period power, or B7. That is all divided by parentheses, the required return less the transition growth rate multiplied by 1 plus the required return raised to the n power. So then the final step is the third dividend. So that's equal to, or what will eventually be the third final phase, third step of this. So it's dividend multiplied by 1 plus the growth rate raised to the n, multiplied by 1 plus the growth rate raised to the transition period, multiplied by 1 plus the second growth rate. And that's all divided by parentheses. The required return less the second growth rate multiplied by 1 plus the required return raised to the n plus t power, 5 plus 3, or 8. So then once you add all of those things together, so getting rid of this, that is equal to this very long, complicated formula, but it sums up to $13.27.